Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to track data, but you didn't have the time or resources to build a custom software solution? So you're not alone. Many businesses and organizations are looking for a quick and easy way to manage their data. In this video, we're going to explore what Quickbase is and how it can help you solve your data management needs. Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to build custom applications without writing a single line of code. It's a powerful tool that can be used to automate tasks, track data, and manage workflows. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a cloud-based application development platform that allows you to build custom applications without writing a single line of code. It's a powerful tool that can be used to automate tasks, track data, and manage workflows. Quickbase is made up of three main components. The Quickbase Builder. This is the tool that you use to build your applications. The Quickbase Platform. This is the underlying infrastructure that powers your applications. The Quickbase Community. This is a group of users and developers who share tips, tricks, and best practices. How does Quickbase work? Quickbase uses a drag-and-drop interface to make it easy to build applications. You can simply drag and drop fields, forms, and reports onto your application's canvas. Once you've built your application, you can share it with other users. Users can access your application from any device, including computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. What are the benefits of using Quickbase? There are many benefits to using Quickbase, including it's easy to use. Quickbase drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to build applications without any technical skills. It's flexible. Quickbase can be used to build a wide variety of applications, from simple forms to complex workflows. It's scalable. Quickbase can handle a large number of users and data. It's affordable. Quickbase offers a variety of pricing plans to meet your needs. Who should use Quickbase? Quickbase is a great tool for anyone who needs to manage data. It's especially well-suited for businesses and organizations that have a lot of data to track, need to automate tasks, want to collaborate with others on projects, don't have the time or resources to build custom software. How to get started with Quickbase? If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, here are a few resources. Quickbase website, https://www.quickbase.com. Quickbase YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/c/Quickbase. Quickbase community, https://community.quickbase.com. Quickbase is a powerful and flexible tool that can help you solve your data management needs. If you're looking for an easy-to-use and affordable way to build custom applications, Quickbase is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, I encourage you to visit the Quickbase website or watch some of the videos on the Quickbase YouTube channel. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business and technology.